I love that ordinary objects can spark little bursts of feeling. By simply touching or seeing something, a memory can rise up. Like the small pile of shoes by our front door. I see my wife's shoes and think about all the places she walked that day and what she saw or felt. Or maybe I think back to a special date we had while wearing my dirty sneakers because I got glue on my nice shoes. But as much as I like thinking these thoughts when I first walk in, this pile needs a home. Getting accurate joinery means starting with accurate layout. I take my time through this process, knowing that the more care I take now, the better the end result will be. A lot of thought goes into making a piece of furniture, but good results come from just taking it step by step. Now that all my parts are laid out, I can now begin cutting all the joinery. Although I enjoy every part of the process, this is the part where things really start to take shape. I use a series of different hand planes to progressively sculpt out all the parts. I want my furniture to be as intimate as the relationships that I share them with. So every aspect of this piece has to create a sense of warmth and invitation. It will be the last thing we see when leaving in the morning and the first thing when coming home at night. The depth that comes from finishing with a hand plane is unparalleled. It's the only way to get the feeling and intimacy I'm looking for. I've sharpened all my blades and set up all of my planes. Now I'm ready to get to work. Keeping with my natural approach to making, I'm using a natural oxide dye on top of the hand plane finish to give a little color. I really love this product and was really happy with how it all turned out, without having any kind of toxic chemicals in the finish. Now that all the parts are finished, I can finally put everything together. A piece of furniture, at the end of the day, simply serves a practical purpose. To store something, to have a place to sit. But if life is lived in a way that just serves a practical purpose, life would be quite dull. And though yes, our shoes don't quite literally contain any memories themselves, there is a bit of magic in the way that something so ordinary can help us remember the most important moments of our lives. So when I make something with my hands, I want to capture this hidden but pivotal magic. My hope is always that through my work, others can experience that feeling